Fine.
Why can I show you something?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir, I'll just show you. Just a minute. See, sir, I
Wow, very nice.
finished drawing. I just finished this drawing.
Very good. Your drawing finish. Fine. So let's start the.
Yes.
Okay, make the grasses in front of your paper like this. One by one grasses. One, two, three, four. Okay, make the grass. Okay, done the grasses. Already done, beta. Okay, after the grass making over here, I just make this is the foreground called the foreground. I make here the mid ground. The drawing is a three ground is there. One is the foreground, one is the mid ground, one is the background. So I draw the first of foreground and this is a mid ground. Okay, the land. I make the mid ground a tree, tree. Like this. এখানে পাখি এখানে আছে না পাখিটা কোথায় আছে পাখিটা এখানে আছে না পাখিটা ওখানে আছে না So there's a tree, okay. So there's a tree and here make a land, you know what this is river kind of, okay. Here is a river like this. It's a river or something pond, okay, and it's a pond nearby some stone or boulder like this, okay. It's a boulder. Huh. Hmm. Okay. So grasses, midland, boulder. Here you can create like small tree. Okay, like this small tree. Make a tree. Okay, you can draw your own ideas, right? Make how much you can do. You can draw this tree like this simple tree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. No need to be exactly looking like this. You can make your own ideas also. I make small tree here also. Okay. Hi. Come on. Come on. Let's take here. Make it like this. Okay. So the front, the grass is front. Then this tree more front. Little far from this. This is tree more far. This tree more far. So this is the drawing. When you draw the perspectives is very important. Okay. Done. Done. This is a river, so it is water actually. Make water. You can make some small. So far is a the hill station, the small hill sorts. Okay, so far you can make something hill like this. Okay, this is a tree. Like so, finish this drawing. We have a time more 5 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes. Then you can start the other class. So slowly do the scenery. How to make scenery with the river, jungle, tree, hill station. Okay. So guys, this is amazing. You can add something new, birds or sun or something more, tree, whatever, animals over here. Okay. Oh, your voice is brushed to it's fantastic. It's just sketch. It's simple sketching. Sketching. That is sketching. Yeah.